What's up, everybody? It's me, your boy, Drive. Today, we're going to be going back into my little world and finishing up the boat. This is part 4, I'm pretty sure. Let's get into today's video. But before we do that, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Spawning in here, I did get some materials. Oh, how do you guys like my skin, by the way? So I got an iron pick, but I'm going to save it so that I can go mining again. So we have enough to finish. Like this. Okay, the sun's going down. Gotta go to bed. Go, go, go. So we got all the stacks that we need to finish. But we have to get the tower, which is right there. So let's finish this up. This is going to be in a time lapse. Wait, how did I do this over here again? Because I have to copy that over there, and I don't know how I did it. So you would go, yep. Okay, I kind of get it now. So you gotta head over there, and let's finish. How do I get up? So I'm pretty sure I copied that. So it's 1, 2, 3, and I went 1, 2, 3 over there. So now I do the exact same thing over here. Then all that we do is we just connect them, but I want to make sure. Yep. Now let's do that. So now I have to go under the water to see how to like do it. Okay, so yep, I got it. Wait. Yep. Can I please get up? Thank you. This one's gonna be pretty frustrating. So you got boom. Gotta get up, gotta get up, gotta get up. Yep. Get out of the water. Go, go, go. Okay, so how does this work? So you go down by another one, and you keep going down into the middle. Got it. I'll just do the rest off camera. So I got that done. Took a little bit. But we got it. So now let's work on the watchtower. So it's going to be right around that big. I'm just making sure that my measurements are correct. Yep. Boom. Then we'll have a big glass panel there. And then boom. Just got to go up to that height. Boom. Boom. Now, all we do, grab our deep-plated cobblestone, go like this because I think it looks really cool. Never mind, we're going to go up by 1. Okay, let's grab all of them. And let's get back up. That was pretty cool. Okay, come on, man. Still was able to make that. So we're just going to go around with this. Because we do have, like, that much. Still a limited amount. But that's okay. Then we're going to go around like this. Go around every single block. Just like that. So then it looks like it has like a little roof thing. Then when we find enough copper, which I think I have some in here. Never mind. I don't. Now we should be able to make it around. Maybe. Close. Yep, we made it. Now we're going to go in like this. This will be our roof. But we'll have little like walkways so you can go up to the top of the roof. And we'll see how big it needs to be. Okay, so boom, it just needs to be that big. So you can already fill in that much. Yep. Boom. That's sick. But now we need glass. So let's go get some glass. Epic montage. I can't get out. Now that we've got everything, let's start to smelt it. If I can get up. And I missed. Let's just add these together. Yep. Now let's go smelting. We should probably go in here, not in my castle or whatever it is. That thing. That's my first ever video, so you guys can go check that out. You just gotta scroll very far down. We're almost at 100 videos. I think this is my 98th. But now we'll just wait for this to smelt, and we're gonna place it down. I put some extra in here, just because I can. So now let's go place it. So now I start placing down the glass. Gotta get rid of that. Then boom, 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 boom. We'll be able to do it. This has got to be the biggest boat in Minecraft, guys. Oh, I almost fell. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Put. Yep. Just like this. We're gonna mine this one block here. And just put that there. Now I got our strip. And I think 6 out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, it's symmetrical. Yep, it's very symmetrical here. Now all I need is some steps. Which luckily I have my crafting table with me, which I'm going to put right there. Probably should grab that from my offhand, but I don't know how I did that. Is it just... Nope. I don't know, but I'm not going to figure it out. So now I need some steps. Actually, we just need 4. Boom, boom. Boom. Come on. Bro, how many steps do I need? It's going to be a waste of steps. There we go. Now all I need is the door. Boom. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.